Sometimes I think I'm not as strong, but there's a force that carries me on. Sick of my small heart made of steel, sick of the wounds that never heal. Cause I have lived my life in debt, I've spent my days